Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
Won't need anybody go back front. All man for himself. I'm saying this with the power vested on me as an A-list. Kò ṣe kéèyàn pé rẹ̀ lé-list. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ó níbi tó ti gbadé nínú iṣẹ́ yẹn. A-list music freelance artist manager in the Nigerian entertainment industry. All man for himself ni. Tọ́kọ́bọ̀ tó rí fi invest orí iṣẹ́. Ṣé rí Ọlọ́run lo àwọn àyè kan fún Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma. Wọ́n kanlẹ̀kùn ògo yẹn. Wọ́n ṣí wọn ò wọlé. But àwọn tí ò yé ni ò ní yé. I'm saying this and I'm still standing on it. Torí tán máa pè mí tán máa sọ pé Dan kí ló mean by interview tó ṣe yẹn. And I will say this and I will keep on saying it. There is a girlfriend of mine in Houston, Texas. Privilege lórúkọ ẹ̀. Artist ní Houston, l'America. She told me some years back, only Daniel, this guy called Pasuma. Pasuma featured Tiwa Savage, and Pasuma is at the top notch of his career. Ṣé wọ́n gbé ọ̀tọ̀ ní pé Fuji ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ló ti ń gbọ́ wọn. But tá a bá ń categorize ẹ̀ fáwọn kan sentimentally wọn ò ní get here. Ṣé ń get? Pasuma ti kanlẹ̀kùn ògo ayérayé yẹn. But follow up àti wọlé òun ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Nígbà tí wọ́n ṣe orin pẹ̀lú Tiwa Savage, she is a global artist. Now, he has done a collaboration with Tiwa. Collaboration yẹn, ó tight, ó dẹ̀ yẹ kí iṣẹ́ yẹn milẹ̀. They did a fantastic video. I think Clarence Peters shot that video. Yeah. Ó ya video yẹn, and as at then, Clarence was the A-list cinematographer in Nigeria. Tó bá gbé táìmù yẹn, Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma ti bẹ Tiwa. Ọ̀tọ̀ ti pé Tiwa ń gbé Tiwa wá. Nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ àjọ máa ṣe ni. Jẹ́ ká ṣe global tour, world tour. He would have hijacked part of the white fans of Tiwa and all these guys added to his own profile. But ẹ mọ̀ àwọn tó ń ṣe PR yẹn time yẹn ó lè ní kọ́ má lè sọ ọ́ kó yé má yé wọn débẹ̀ because oyin yẹn ti kanlẹ̀kùn débi pé àwọn òyìnbó ti ń torí Tiwa ẹ mọ̀ pé ọmọ yankí ni Tiwa. Yeah, Tiwa Savage is from US. Ọmọ America ni artist wọn ní mbẹ̀, and she has made a lot of how do I put it? Ó ti clear a lot of airs. Ó ti ṣe a lot of things tó ti breaking pẹ̀lú bóyá Beyonce. Ó náà bó ti jó pẹ̀lú Beyonce rí or Rihanna or something like that. So internationally, globally, that lady, she is at the top notch. Tó bá gbé ìwọ ni mo fẹ́, ìwọ ni mo yan, and that very chorus was mad. You know, composed by Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma. Tó bá gbé time yẹn wọ́n ti ṣe world tour pẹ̀lú Tiwa jọ nítorí bẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí já parí ẹ̀. Mo believe pé by now Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma ó máa shut down O2 lẹ́nu. What are you telling me, bro? Ó máa shut down O2 arena. But iṣẹ́ yẹn ò débẹ̀ yẹn. Iṣẹ́ yẹn ti débẹ̀ already, but movement yẹn ni ò débẹ̀. Okay, a ṣe some years back a ṣe Indian Carnival ní TBS. I brought in what's it called? Alhaji Sulaiman Adiyata Ewe sínú ẹ wo báwọn Indianas bó ṣe ń ya fọ́tò pẹ̀lú Pasuma. But mi ìṣọ́ àwọn pé Pasuma ti lọ play ní Indian. Àìmọye ibi tán ti mọ Pasuma tó ti débẹ̀ rí. And that man called Wasiu Alabi Pasuma is a workaholic boss. Èèyàn tó yẹ pé kò ń sùn ó máa ń ronú gan. ó dẹ̀ máa ń fẹ́ dá wà pé kóun lè ronú, ó dẹ̀ máa ń jáde, kò ń ṣe artist tó kì í jáde, kò ń ṣe artist tó máa ń fọ́n pé má jẹ́ ń jáde. Ṣé you understand? So gbogbo táìmù yẹn tó bá yẹ pé Alhaji ti breaking sínú market yẹn ni nǹkan táwọn sọ ìkọlà wọn máa sọ mọ́. He would have been the first artist to take Fuji music to the next level. Nígbà táwọn Wiz ló ń ṣe kinní pẹ̀lú àwọn Akon ló ń ṣe táwọn Wyclef gbogbo wọn tó ń wá sí Nàìjíríà lọ́n làwọn fẹ́ sign àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà, àwọn Drake gbogbo àwọn people yẹn. Mo sọ fún bàbá mi Sunday Ààrẹ tó jẹ́ manager Wizkid, mo ní bàbá tẹ́ bá fẹ́ kí Wiz kó breaking sí international market, ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn artist America yẹn kó feature Wizkid sínú album wọn. Kí là ń sọ ń sìn, ṣé wọn breaking? So àwọn nǹkan yẹn ó lè jẹ́ kí Fuji move but kò tí late jù. Ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Alhaji Abbas Akande Obesere o lórí Egungun be careful o, òyìnbó jó Egungun be careful o, but ká gbà ń pé kádàrá Ọlọ́run nìyẹn. COVID ló breaking rave yẹn tí rave yẹn ò fi lọ jìnnà. So there are more days to, there are more opportunities ahead, sha.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.